What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 things you probably didn't know that you have to be doing every day or stay consistent with it in order for you to have a successful affiliate marketing business. If you guys are new to this actual channel, thanks for coming in. My name is David G and I talk about affiliate marketing, online business, passive income. So if you guys are new to this channel, please hit that actual subscribe button so you can subscribe, and also that bell so you can actually get notified when I post new information or new content on here. I do post there at least once a week, so that way once I do, you'll actually get that information and be notified. So let's go ahead and jump into this video here, okay? So 3 things that you probably didn't know that you have to be doing to have a successful online business, okay? So as a new affiliate, many beginners, when they first start off into their journey, what they think or what they see is that it's going to be easy, that it's going to be where you don't have to be consistent, right? They see a lot of videos, information, blogs, whatever the case is, that a lot of other affiliates make it seem that you don't have to be posting daily, that you don't have to, that you can actually be lazy, right? Throw some money on here and expect to get some sales, right? That's actually not the case. You have to stay consistent and you have to put in and take action daily in order for you to get results. So big keyword is it's not easy. It does take hard work, but it's a simple process, okay? I want to make that clear. Simple process on how affiliate marketing works, but you do have to put in the work. You do have to take action and the effort in order for you to get results. Many people, when they first come in, I've actually had a lot of people ask me questions, talk to me about that they want to be making 10 grand a month in the first 2 months, right? As them starting. Honestly, that's really not going to happen. So you have to put in the work. A lot of these affiliates that you see online, that you see them making that type of money, they have years already into this industry. They actually invested in education. They've taken action, right? They've tested. So it does take time for you to do this stuff. So if you are actually a new beginner in affiliate marketing and you want to get to, and you want to find out the fastest way, the fastest path to start making high ticket sales, I highly recommend you starting joining the Legendary Marketer with the 15-day business challenge. There's going to be a link down in the description there, and it's going to walk you from A to Z. It's going to give you the right tools, right information for you to actually get there as fast as possible, right? I took that course, and that's what I recommend everybody else to take that course if you want to get there the fastest route, right? Look, in this industry, there's 2 things that you actually have to spend, right? You either have to spend time or you have to spend money, okay? Spend time where you're going to be trying to look for stuff and try to figure stuff out your own, testing stuff, or spend money, buy a course, and actually have a mentor where they actually tell you their mistakes so you won't do it. So it's either 1 or 2 things, okay? I chose the fastest path, and that's actually worked out very great for me just because I don't make the mistakes that they actually did, right? My mentors did. So like I said before, click on that link if you want to go in there. It's going to give you all that information and you're going to be on your way. So let's go ahead and jump into this video here. I think I've wasted a lot of time. Let's go ahead and jump in. These 3 things that you probably didn't know that you have to do daily. One thing before we get into these 3 things is you have to be consistent. You have to stay consistent throughout your whole affiliate marketing business. You have to show up, take action almost every day, okay? Number 1, let's go ahead and jump in with number 1. Post content daily, right? You have to be posting information and content on platforms, okay? That could be social media platforms, engine-based platforms, whatever the case is, or whatever you are doing and works for you, you have to be coming down there every day, okay? The 3 platforms that I found most successful for me and also many other affiliate marketers is going to be TikTok, Facebook, and also YouTube that is on right here, okay? These are the 3. What I'm saying is the others, I'm not saying that the others don't work. They work well, but for me, from what I found and also from other affiliates are these 3. So you're more than welcome to go to Instagram, TikTok. I've seen a lot of other affiliate marketers are very successful, LinkedIn, Google, whatever the case is, right? But these are the 3 that I found most successful for myself and also many other affiliates. So you have to go on there and start posting content daily, okay? If you don't know how to find information or you pretty much start running out of ideas, there is a website called Answer the Public, and in that website, you put in a keyword, whatever you're promoting, whatever you're actually going to talk about, and they give you questions on what people on the internet are looking for. For example, if I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, right? Since we were talking about that earlier, a lot of people go on there and they actually ask questions. What is Legendary Marketer? Is it worth it? Is it a pyramid scan, right? They give you so many actual questions that you can actually make content around, and it is actually great. So I will leave a link down in the description so you could actually go and check it out for yourself in there, okay? So that is number one. Number two is going to be engaging with your audience. Not just because you post content, you're gonna expect people to go and watch your videos, to like them, to comment, whatever the case is, right? To start following you. You have to engage with them. So, and that means from going back to step number one is posting good quality videos, right? You want people to actually watch your videos. You want people to get information, value, so they can continue to follow you, right? Now that's also works on the other hand too. You as an affiliate also have to engage with your audience, right? You have to write comments, you have to comment back, you have to like their videos. An awesome way that I've actually found that you can engage with your followers is going live on whatever platform that you are on, right? Facebook Live, YouTube Live, TikTok Live. I personally go TikTok Live, and that's where I can actually engage with my followers, right? Maybe they didn't understand something that I said in the video, so I can clarify. Maybe they want to ask more information. Maybe they want to see that you're a real person, okay? People are not going to buy just because you tell them that they're going to buy it, right? They want to see that you're a real person. They want to see that you were in their shoes at one point and now they want to be in yours, right? Hey, I used to work this 9-to-5 job. Now I was busting my butt. Now I'm over here and I can work when I want, how I want, make this much money, right? Cool. He's in the same boat. I want to be in his. I want to follow whatever he does, right? You want to actually engage with your customers or your followers. All right. Number three is going to be growing your email list. This one should actually be a priority, a number one priority, because generally one email, and this is on average, one email that you have generally brings in $1 of sales, okay? So for people, as we were talking about earlier, for people that want to make $10,000 a month, generally on average, you have to have around 10,000 subscribers. Now, I'm not saying that that's how much you have to have and that's the hard number. No, but that's generally the average on if you take the majority of people that have their email list and what they actually make their ROI coming back on that email list. So generally, one subscriber equals $1 of sales, okay? So, and this also actually brings me back to number two, engaging with your audience, right? In your emails, this is where you could also start sending your subscribers emails so they can continue to connect with you, so they can continue to follow you, understand where you're coming from, take them on to your journey, give them value, send them to webinars, whatever the case is, right? This is also an awesome place that you can actually engage with them through emails. Now, just because you're sending them emails daily, every other day, or whatever the case is, doesn't mean, once again, that they're gonna go ahead and just buy, right? There is a magic number to email marketing, to copywriting emails, right? That magic number is going to be 7. 7. So why 7? Generally, a person that subscribes to your email list, it generally takes them between 7 and 12 times to see your emails, to see your pictures, your photos, your content, whatever the case is, before they buy that product that you're promoting, okay? Generally. Now, I'm not, once again, this is a study taken generally, and this is what they've actually found, that it takes them between 7 and 12 emails, webinars, YouTube videos, whatever the case is, for them to actually begin to buy your products. So within those 7, that's where you start writing good quality information, right? You have to provide them information, value, help them out, show them that you want to help them out and not just here for the money. All right, so those were the 3 things that you probably didn't know that you have to be doing on a regular basis for you to have a successful online business. Number 1, once again, you have to stay consistent with number 1, post content daily, okay? Whether it's on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, whatever the case is, daily, you have to actually continue to post and stay consistent, putting information out there. Number 2, you have to engage with your followers, with your subscribers. Not just because you put out information or videos or whatever the case is, you're going to expect them to comment, like them, and continue to follow you, right? You have to engage with them, show them that you're a real person, help them out, right? Get them to where they want to go. Number 3 is email. You have to continue to email your subscribers, your people, so they can continue to connect with you, understand you, show them that you're actually a real person and that you want to truly help them. So those are the 3 things. As I was saying earlier in this video, if you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. That way you could actually help out the algorithm and get this information more out there. Also, if you found this video that was valuable and you found information from this, please hit that like and that notification so you also can get notified when I post new information and new content out here. So if you guys have any questions, drop them here in the comments, and I'll get back to you guys. So other than that, I'll come back with you guys on another video. Until then, stay safe, guys.